Holy shit, this is gonna be considered my first ever official vlog. I am so excited.
Oh yeah, shit.
I had so many ideas for this, but it didn't even fucking matter because it all got deleted. And I'm fine being honest, I cried. My boyfriend consoled me, but I was so upset that I was just gonna delete everything. Like everything. There was a little bit of footage left, but I was just gonna delete everything and that was it. I was gonna quit. The thing that did get saved was a snippet of me telling myself that I am going to commit. But out of something bad came something good. A better idea re-emerged. In the videos that got deleted, I said that I wanted to go out more and gain better confidence. And what better than to just go out to events and talk to people, or just, I don't know, be comfortable with talking to a camera in public. I feel like that's another big step. So I went on this website called, I think it was Eventbrite, and I was scrolling through it for events in my area, and I came across a lot of speed dating ones, which I don't need any of that because I have a boyfriend, but I thought it was the most funniest shit ever. And as I was looking, I saw, oh, there was a Summerween comedy paint and sip, which I thought was gonna be so cute. So I clicked on it, but I saw that the date said it was in August. And as recording of this video it is July 11th. So I'm like, that's a little ways away, and I'm too impatient for that. I want to do something now, right? I was scrolling down, I saw a lot more comedy paints and sips that they were doing. There was 2 of them that were today, and I was like, oh, that's cute. But then I was just like, let me just keep looking. And as I kept looking, I came across, bless you. I came across this one event, and it was called, I think, because I'm doing this all in post, I think it was called Cool Girl Summer. And so I clicked on it, and I thought it was really cute, and then I realized I've been to this place before, the Farmhouse Collective. I've been to this place before, and I went to this place with my sister. We bought like clothes, they sell food, they sell jewelry. I thought it was really cute, and I think it would be a great place to not only vlog, but also for me to gain more confidence with a camera and confidence in general, and also going out. So it's checking off the 3 things. They put up pictures on the event of like things to do there, and obviously they had like the food, the clothes, the shopping, but they also, this time, last time they didn't have it, they have getting small tattoos and henna tattoos. And I was like, oh shit. I mean, I already got a tattoo. You'll probably see it later, but I already got a tattoo. A little cute one would be actually really cute. I always wanted finger tattoos, but I got too scared to do those because I don't want to spend money for it to just disappear or it to look really, really faded. But henna tattoos, I always actually wanted to get henna tattoo, but I didn't do any research, so I didn't know like where I could go to get that. I didn't know the price range for that. So we'll figure that out today. Before we start getting ready, we gotta eat. So let's do that.
I was swinging along, minding my business, and suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. You could have thought this would happen. You would have ever believed. Would it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue. For I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or thought this could happen. Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue. For I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful,
Fuck, I forgot to put my eyes.
marvelous love, beautiful, wonderful you.
Alright, Peep the fit. Peep the fit. I gotta... Fuck, I don't know if you can even see all the way this far. I can't even tell. I got the Bratz. Where is it? Bratz t-shirt. Okay. Over the top, because I cut that shit. And then... I have to put my hair up because it is fucking 93 degrees. So it is hot as shit. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I made it. It's right behind me, so we're about to walk in right now. I came right before I think it just started, so it's probably not gonna be that many people there. When I walked in, the first thing I saw was this cute crochet plushie booth. I ended up getting the seller's Instagram. She makes it herself and does custom orders. Right next to the first booth was this custom tumbler booth and this sketch photography painting booth where they did live drawings and custom orders. As I kept walking around, I came across this wonderful booth about love and expression.
So Grow Love is all about being self-expressive. Each flower color is an emotion. So right now I'm wearing pink, which is compassion.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And now I'm wearing red, which is passion.
Oh, that's really cute.
Express yourself at any given moment using the flower colors. So it's like a mood ring but for your shirt.
Oh, that's really cute.
Yeah, Grow Love.
I kept walking around. I saw many cute booths. Please ignore my finger in the frame. It was bright and I couldn't see the camera, so I couldn't tell if it was blurry or not. After walking around, I was feeling the heat badly, so I had to grab a nice cold drink. So I ordered from this lemonade booth where they sold lemonades with all kinds of flavors. As I was waiting for my drink, I realized that the mini tattoo booth was right next to me, the one I mentioned earlier. This lemonade was so good. I ordered with pomegranate and dragon fruit. I walked around some more and then I found the Henna Tattoo booth. I was so excited, I had to get it. The owner of the booth was so lovely, she helped me record the videos of the results. That's why I was struggling in the sun. I was like, I can't tell.
I also love photography.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't do as much videography, but I love photography.
Ooh, that was such a beautiful day today. Beautiful day. Really hot though, really hot as fuck. I will say I am beat from the heat. I am really beat from the heat. It was 94 degrees when I was out there and there was no shade. The only shade that there was for the vendors. That's pretty much it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my content. If you like these vlogs, I'm definitely gonna be doing more for sure, because the whole point of these vlogs is so that I can continue my journey into self-confidence, meeting new people, building connections, and you know, all that stuff. So if you guys really enjoy these videos, please stick along for the journey. If you also want to see my other kind of content, I also do gaming videos with my friends or just myself. You know, there's kind of options here on this channel. There's a little bit of options, so whatever you guys like, please enjoy and watch. Also, look at this henna. Look at this. This is when I took the peel off. I just took it off. So I'll put in a picture right now of how it looks like tomorrow, because it says that after 24 hours that's when it turns dark brown, because right now, as you can see, it's orange. But it's so beautiful, it's so good. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. You guys should go. If you ever are interested in henna tattoos in the LA, Orange County, I went to the farmhouse in Riverside. So if you guys want, reach out to her, message her, let her know. She does amazing work. Just look at this, come on. Beautiful work. And she's an amazing person. I got to know her a little bit. She got to know me. She's an amazing person. You guys should definitely reach out and check her out. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please check out my other videos too, and put, what is it, the notifications? Put your notifications on for future videos, especially for more vlogs of this journey. But yeah, thank you for watching my first vlog. This is crazy, my first vlog! But I'll catch you in the next one.